Hello there, guys and girls. Today we are going to talk about how to shut down your system via the command line, okay? And if you ever want to shut your system down via the command line, here is how it is done. So if I want to shut down my system now, I would just write shut down, and then I would use the H option, and I would use now. Now, if I wanted to restart my machine in this exact moment, I would write it with the R option, okay? So the R option means restart, the H option means halt, okay? It's a shorthand for halt, or at least I think it is, it makes the most sense, which basically means shut it down, okay? And in order to delay the shutdown or the restart, and let's say I, for example, want to delay the shutdown, what I would do is instead of now, I would write a plus, and then I would write, for example, if I want my system to shut down in 10 minutes, I would write plus 10. So I would write a plus, and then I would write the number of minutes I want to wait before I shut down my system. And honestly, I usually shut down my computer via the graphical user interface. But if you're accessing a computer remotely, and we're going to talk about that in the future tutorials, but basically if you are accessing some computer remotely, then you may need to restart or shut it down via the command line, and that's when this command will become useful. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I really think if you're a regular desktop user, you'll probably never be needing this, but if you're a software developer or someone like that, you probably will at one point or another. But again, you just heard about it now, and you can Google it whenever you need it. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope that you will check out the next tutorial as well, and I will talk to you very soon. Peace.